Hello, my dear students. Arshdeep Kaur here, and this is your physics class for 9th standard. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 8, light. Okay, so let's start. Student, all of you very well know about what is light and what is its properties. Okay, as you read all that in the previous classes. So let's take a one review for that. Now, light. Now, light is the form of energy which provides the sensation to see the objects. It means with the help of light we can able to see. Okay, in the darkness we can't see any object. Okay, so light is energy. Okay, so light having two main properties. First property is speed of light. That is, speed of light is very high in case of air or in case of vacuum also. Okay, its speed is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It means very high speed. Okay, and second property is the rectilinear property of light. That is, light travels in a straight line. Okay, now light travels in a straight line. Okay, but when there is a some obstacle in the place of a light, okay, in the path of a light, then it reflect also, it refract also. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study the one main phenomena, that is the reflection of light. Okay, reflection of लाइट. ठीक है, इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर. ठीक है, उसमें से इमेजेस कैसे फॉर्म होती है अगर दूर हो ऑब्जेक्ट, दो मिरर पैरेलल हैं, किसी एंगल पे रखे हैं. ठीक है, ये सारा हम पढ़ेंगे. और उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे स्फेरिकल मिरर्स, उसमें रिफ्लेक्शन कैसे होती है, उसमें इमेज फॉर्म कैसे होती है कनकेव मिरर और कन्वेक्स मिरर्स में. ओके, सो इसमें हम मेनली क्या करेंगे, रिफ्लेक्शन ओके ऑफ light. So let's start now. First of all, the unit 1. The unit 1 is reflection at plane surfaces. Okay, so let's start. Reflection at plane surfaces. Plane surfaces mean only a like this straight line surfaces. Straight line surfaces, not curve like this, not curve, not a curve but a plane surfaces. Okay, and polished surfaces or which having silvering on the one side. So let's start the reflection at a plane surfaces. So first of all, reflection of light. Reflection of light is that when a beam of light, that is a traveling in a medium, okay, incident on a plane surface, then it just bounce back. Bounce back mean it just sent back in the same medium. Okay, what is medium? That is if it travel in the air, then it just bounce back in the air. Okay, then this phenomena is called reflection of light. But when the light transfer its medium, that is a travel from one medium to the another medium, then this phenomena is called refraction of light. Okay, reflection mean bounce back like a ball, कि बॉल आई, इस पे टकराई और वापस आ गई. बाउंस बैक मीन दैट इज़ अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. बट जब वो जहाँ पे गई इससे, ठीक है, इसमें इंटर की, उसने मीडियम अपना चेंज कर लिया. ठीक है, एयर टू वो वाटर इंटर कर रही है, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड द रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. बट व्हेन लाइट इज़ एब्जॉर्ब, कि लाइट गई तो है इसमें, ठीक है, ना तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट की है ना वो रिफ्रैक्ट की है, वो पास होके सेकंड, ठीक है, बाहर नहीं आई है, बट उस बॉडी ने उसको क्या कर लिया, लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया. दैट इज़ the phenomena of absorbed by medium. Some of the light absorbed by the medium. Now first of all, reflection. Now as I said, reflection is the phenomena in which the beam of a light that is traveling through a medium and striking some smooth or polished surface, it bounces off. Okay, that is bounces off, कि वापस आगे टकरा के वापस आगे, that is a bounces off. Okay, now the reflection of light is of two types. Okay, reflection of light is of two types. Now the two types are, number one is the regular reflection and number two is the irregular reflection. Now in the regular reflection, the light bounces back from the plane, from the smooth, from the polished surface. Now let's see, this is a surface, okay, this is a plain smooth surface whose one side is silvered, this one is a polished surface, okay, this one is a plain surface. Reflection occur from upper side only, okay. Now when the beam of light, let's this is a beam of light, okay, these are the parallel beam of light, or these are called the incident ray of light, incident rays that are moving toward the mirror, that are the incident ray of light. When they striking the mirror, then it bounces back, okay, bounces back mean they just reflect like this, okay. Then these three are the reflected rays, okay. Now you can see incident rays and reflected rays, both are parallel in nature. It means in the regular reflection, the incident ray of lights and reflected rays of light form a parallel beam, okay. After reflection, the incident rays remains parallel, and this reflection occurs from a plane and a smooth surface, okay, like glasses, water, oily surfaces, and that are highly polished metal. You can able to see your image in the spoon also, steel spoons also, okay, in the glasses also, in a plate also. It means ki regular reflection forms a image, okay, you can see your face clearly, okay. It means it causes a very strong glare in our eyes also. If you put something, a regular surface in front of a source of a light, then there is a strong glare is there, okay. This is a regular reflection, forms a image, and the beam is parallel, okay. Now the second one is the irregular reflection just occurred from the that is a rough surfaces, like this one is a rough surface, not a smooth, this one is a rough surface, okay. Let us consider the parallel beam is just coming toward the rough surface, okay, and this one is the incident beam of light, and after the reflection from the rough surface, the beam of light is never not parallel. It means irregular reflection is that the reflection which occurs from a rough surfaces and the reflected beam of light is not parallel as that of the incident, okay. This reflection also called the diffused reflection, okay. This reflections just occur from the ground, walls, trees, okay, and the small particles that are suspended in the air, okay. And this reflection just is spreading the light, spreading the energy, okay. And in this reflection no image form. If image is formed, that image is a hazy image formed, okay. Hazy image or not at all, image is not there, okay. And it means from both of the reflections we just conclude that with the help of reflections we are able to see, okay. How it is possible? Because these reflections just spreading out the light, okay, over a vast region and decrease its intensity. That's why we are just able to see and make the other objects just illuminates, okay. So this is beta all about the reflections and the types of the reflections. So next one is the now next are some general terms which are related to reflection, okay. Now I just draw this line, okay, and these small lines below this line are called hatching, 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 hatching. And this means the silvered surface, this means silvered or the polished surface. इट मीन इस सरफेस से जो रिफ्लेक्शन है वो नहीं हो पाएगी, जिस सरफेस जो है वो हैचिंग है और सिल्वर्ड है जिस सरफेस, ओके. इट मीन मैंने ये क्या बनाया अभी, दिस वन इज अ मिरर, ओके, दिस इज अ मिरर ओनली. नाउ if I draw 190 degree angle on this surface. Let's see, this one is a perpendicular or the 90-degree angle on the mirror. Then this 90-degree angle is called the normal to the surface, or you can simply say that this one is just a normal, that is a perpendicular to the surface, perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, so next one is the ray of light that just coming toward the mirror. Okay, ray of light that is coming toward the mirror, that is called the incident ray. Light ray that is coming toward the mirror is called incident ray, and the point where the incident ray strike is called the point of incidence. Let's name it. This one is a O, this one is a A. Okay, you can say AO is the incident ray and O is the point of incidence. After the reflection, okay, this ray just reflect, then this arrow shows that the ray of light after striking the mirror just reflect from the mirror and goes away from the mirror. The ray of light that is moving away from the mirror is called the reflected ray. Okay, and name it as B. AO is incident ray, OB is a reflected ray, and ON is the normal, and MM dash is a mirror. Okay beta, now next one is the angle between the mirror and incident ray. The angle between the mirror and the incident ray, this angle is called G, glazing angle. Same as the angle between the reflected and the mirror, this one is called the glazing angle. Okay, next one is the angle between incident ray and normal. Incident ray and normal, this is called angle of incidence I, and between normal and reflected ray is called small r, that is angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and this one is a glaze angle. Okay, this one is some terms which we are going to use in this okay reflection. Now whenever the reflection occurs, okay, it always follows some laws, it always follow laws. Now let's study about the laws of reflection. Now reflection have only main two laws. The first law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, it means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. If angle of incidence is 30 degree, then angle of reflection is also 30. If angle of incidence is 50, then angle of reflection is also 50. It means in case of reflection, whether the reflection occur from the plane surface, that is a plane mirror, or it occur from a spherical mirror, it always follows the this law, that is angle of incidence is equal to angle of the reflection. And second law is that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal, these three lies in the same plane, lies in the same medium. It means if the ray of light, if reflection occurs in the air, then reflected ray, normal, and incident ray are also present in the air. It means always lie in the same plane, always lie in the same medium. Okay students, these are the laws of reflection. Okay, reflection obey these two laws. Now next one is images. How the image is formed in a plane mirror, how we are able to see our image. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स जब भी रिफ्लेक्शन होती है मिरर से, ठीक है, तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज आपको पता है आ रही है, इंसिडेंट रे आ रही है और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे आ रही है. ठीक है, जब ये रिफ्लेक्टेड रे किसी पॉइंट पे मीट करती है, ठीक है, लेट करो कि 2 रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज हमने ली और दोनों रेज क्या हुआ, रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मीट कर रही हैं. ठीक है। रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या कर रही है, मीट कर रही है। इट मीन कि आपने जस्ट माइंड में रखना है कि इमेजेस आर फॉर्म्ड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे। रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज जो मीट कर रही हैं उनसे क्या बनती है, इमेज बनती है। और जो इमेज है बेटा दैट आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, रियल इमेज एंड द वर्चुअल इमेज। रियल इमेज कैन नॉट बी ऑब्टेन ऑन द स्क्रीन, कि इसको हम स्क्रीन पे लेके नहीं आ सकते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे सॉरी, दिस वन इज अ वर्चुअल, दिस इज अ रियल। जो वर्चुअल इमेज है दैट कैन नॉट ऑब्टेन ऑन द स्क्रीन। वर्चुअल को हम स्क्रीन पे पर्दे पे लेके नहीं आ सकते हैं, बट जो रियल इमेज होती है, रियल इमेज को स्क्रीन पे लेके आ सकते हैं। इट मीन कि पर्दे पे लेके आ सकते हो आप, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जांपल इन केस ऑफ प्रोजेक्टर्स, ठीक है। प्रोजेक्टर्स में, ठीक है, आप स्कूल में प्रोजेक्टर्स देखते हो, उस प्रोजेक्टर्स में जो इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है वो इमेज जो है वो वाइट कलर की स्क्रीन पे आती है। इट मीन कि जो प्रोजेक्टर्स है वो कौन सी इमेज फॉर्म कर रहा है, रियल इमेज फॉर्म कर रहा है, ठीक है। और जो वर्चुअल इमेज है वो मिरर में फॉर्म हो रही है। जैसे मिरर आप देखते हो तो मिरर वाली इमेज आप सेम है स्क्रीन पे लेके नहीं आ सकते हो। इट मीन कि जो मिरर फॉर्म कर रहा है इमेज दैट वन इज़ अ वर्चुअल इमेज, ओके। टू टाइप ऑफ इमेज, वर्चुअल एंड रियल, ओके। अब जो वर्चुअल इमेज है वो स्क्रीन पे लेके नहीं आ सकते, बट मिरर में आपकी इमेज सेम कैसे बनती है, इरेक्ट। इरेक्ट मीन सीधी बनती है, ठीक है। और जो रियल इमेज है दैट वन इज़ ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड। इन्वर्टेड का मीनिंग होता है अप, ठीक है। इन्वर्टेड का मीनिंग है अप साइड डाउन। अप साइड डाउन मीन कि अगर आप इस पेन की इमेज बनाना चाहते हो जिसका टॉप है और ये बॉटम है, ठीक है, मिरर में इसकी इमेज कैसे आएगी, जो टॉप है बॉटम पे चला जाएगा, जो बॉटम है वो टॉप पे, कि जो इमेज है वो आपको ऐसी नजर आएगी, उल्टी नजर आएगी। दैट इज़ अ इन्वर्टेड इमेज, एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज इज ऑलवेज रियल। Inverted is always real and virtual is always erect, okay. Now how these images formed? Now in virtual image जो reflected rays हैं never meet actually में meet नहीं कर रही हैं rays, they are just appears to meet, ठीक है। रिफ्लेक्टेड रे जस्ट अपीयर टू मीट, कि हमें लग रहा है कि वहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मीट कर रही है, बट एक्चुअली में वहाँ पे मीट नहीं कर रही हैं, ठीक है। बट जो रियल इमेज है इसमें क्या होता है कि रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एक्चुअली मीट कर रही हैं। रिफ्लेक्टेड रे जस्ट एक्चुअली मीट एट अ पॉइंट, ओके, देन द इमेज फॉर्म इज रियल इमेज। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन इज all about the general terms which we are going to use in the case of reflection and the types of the images we are going to study in this chapter. That is a many type of images, how it forms. That is the first one is real and the virtual images. Hope so you like it, okay. So yes, share the video, okay, and like it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.